SolidWorks plays a crucial role in designing 3D models of bicycles by providing a comprehensive platform for creating precise, detailed, and functional designs. With its parametric design capabilities, SolidWorks allows engineers and designers to easily create complex bicycle components such as the frame, wheels, handlebars, and drivetrain, ensuring they fit together seamlessly. The software's advanced simulation tools enable stress analysis and motion studies, helping to optimize the design for strength, durability, and performance. Additionally, SolidWorks offers the ability to test various materials, refine aerodynamics, and visualize the entire assembly, making it an invaluable tool for creating efficient, high-performance bicycle models while reducing prototyping costs and development time. If you're looking to design a high-quality 3D model of a bicycle, SolidWorks is the perfect tool to bring your vision to life. With its advanced features and intuitive interface, we can create detailed bicycle designs, including the frame, wheels, gears, and other components, while ensuring proper fit, function, and durability. If you need professional assistance in designing a bicycle model, feel free to contact us, and we'll help you create a custom solution tailored to your specific requirements.